Platform G, 4, 1743, Google Express, service. Family Fun Pack. What are you doing? By wait. What station is this again? Stopping at Chester Street, Pogtown, Chaos Junction. Ferry on the Hill, Chiltern Bypass, Kirky Merrington, Close North. Spend your money here, Tree School, Mad Mile, Not So Crazy Anymore. Ghost Market, Paul's Bus Service, A66 doesn't like snow. What's that tower? Live Pool, Adam B. Teslas, Crazy New York Subway, Roanoke. What are you doing? Diesel Juicy Land. Wait, what station is this again? Chips and Fries, Preston's Dallas. Los Angeles Beaches, California, Mansions and Family Fun Pack. What are you doing? The first class carriage is in the K5 carriage. The train consists of 52 carriages. Please prepare Pep Guardiola for border control in Berries, between them Adam B's Teslas and the Crazy New York Subway.
May I have your attention please on platform M, next train 10-5, service to Newcastle Football Ground, has been cancelled. This is due to the driver decides to get off at Paddlebrook Central for more Butterbeans cupcakes.
The next train arriving on Platform A is the 6:56 train to Amberys Mansion, via Ellesmere Junction.